If you think that your life has changed since the outbreak of the coronavirus, spare a thought for people in your community that are visually or physically impaired. These people have seen how their day-to-day routines and support network have dramatically changed or simply vanished due to the imposed confinement. In the next few minutes, the Enzyme Advising Group Call for Code team will present the solution that has been specifically developed with AI-powered digital solutions to provide much-needed support to those who are visually impaired or blind. Let me introduce you to Juanjo. Juanjo is a visually impaired .NET programmer who lives with his wife. She is also visually impaired. Until now, when Juanjo needed to check the expiry date of a food product or a medicine, he simply called on a neighbor and asked for help. With the new mobility restrictions, the imposed confinement, and the request by the authorities that we don't socialize with anyone other than the people that share our living space, Juanjo has been unable to check if his favorite yogurts have gone off or if his bottle of cough medicine has gone past its expiry date. So how can we help Juanjo? Well, you're probably wondering, surely Google and Microsoft must have thought of a solution for that. Well, according to our research, they haven't. These companies have looked into developing tools to help with object detection, object classification, and reading. However, we haven't found a solution in the market that solves what our app, Ur'Eyes, can do for visually impaired people like Juanjo and his wife. So how does it work? Well, Juanjo is preparing his shopping list for the week. To plan what he needs, he wants to check the expiration date of some products in his fridge. To do this, Juanjo takes his phone, and via WhatsApp he chats with Ur'Eyes, his virtual assistant. This is possible because visually impaired people have their phones adapted to do this. Juanjo then tells the app that he wants to check a particular product. He then takes a picture of the product that needs to be checked and uploads the picture on the app. If the picture is not correct, the app will let him know and will ask him to retake the picture. The assistant responds with a description of the product so that Juanjo can validate that it's the product he wants to check. Then Juanjo asks the virtual assistant to tell him the expiration date of the product. Juanjo will get a message from the app for every picture he uploads to confirm the expiration date of each product. Juanjo can now go shopping, knowing exactly what products he needs. So what's the roadmap? So far, we've developed a WhatsApp-based assistant with the ability to provide the expiration date of a product from a simple photo, but our aim is to develop a fully functional mobile app that is voice-activated. The app will be able to collect images using video streaming and seek help from a human agent if needed. The possibilities are endless. So does this sound like a solution you would like us to develop? If so, please give us a chance to work on it by considering this project for the finals at Call for Code. Juanjo and the rest of the visually impaired community will thank you for it, and we will be delighted to develop this project. Do you want to see how the app would look like? Here's a demo we've prepared to show you what Ur'Eyes could do. Finally, we'd like to thank IBM and the Call for Code team for driving this initiative, and we look forward to taking this project to the next stage. Thank you.